In this video, I will go over creating problems and assignments on JustInfer. Once you're on your course homepage, click Create/Edit Problems. Here you will have the option to simply import some pre-existing public problems, like so, or you can create your own problems, like so. For truth table problems, there are a number of setting options depending on how you want the truth table to be styled and what questions, in addition to filling out the truth table, you would like to ask your students. Since your course problem is sent to, stored, and pulled from a secure database, you'll need to refresh your browser when you want to see the changes you've made. You can see more problem details by clicking the down arrow button. You can edit your problems by clicking the pencil button. And you can delete your problems by clicking the trash bin button. To make an assignment, you just need to click Create a New Assignment, and then input the name and the due date, if there is one, of the assignment. Once the assignment is made, you can add problems to the assignment like so. On the student's side, they'll see a link to the assignment on their course homepage, and when they click that link, they will be able to work on the assignment. If they solve a problem, they'll get a check mark next to it, and you will have a record of their solution in your gradebook. Given the programming of the various logical concepts from the ground up, you do not need to put in an answer key or do your own grading, and students get to learn what is and isn't correct immediately and through practice. That concludes this topic. Feel free to watch my other videos if you have other questions.